Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to set up your Samsung Smart Monitor. So at first you have to click this OK button on your remote control here. This button over here, click it. Now as you can see we are here. We can now, using this up and downs here, move to our language. For us it will be English. Let's click Hi. Here as you can see we can set it for the retail mode, which is the store mode, or just for our use, which is Let's Start button. We have to click OK here. And now we can connect our mouse and keyboard. But we can move to the region using the moving to the right. Here as you can see we have United Kingdom, so we can set United Kingdom. Here we can connect to the Wi-Fi network, and as you can see here we do have our Wi-Fi networks scanned. Let's connect to this one. Now we have our password entered and we have to click Done. Here, as you can see, your monitor is connected to the internet. Now we have to accept the terms and conditions. I don't know why it's in Polish, but yeah. Here we can accept that and accept that. Here, or actually we don't really have to accept this one because this is optional, and we can click OK. I don't know why we do have our language switched in this. We had the language switched here, but yeah. Here we can now click Start Setup. As you can see here we do have one account and a device just for you. Sign in to get started. So we can now move to our phone and we have to enter the camera application here. Now we have to get our phone closer to the QR code and click on this link here. As you can see here now we can log into our account, Samsung account, so let me do this. Now if you log in on our phone to our Samsung account, we are signed in. We can select if we want to be signed in here, as you can see, and with the OK button we can check, and I check that. Here we can click Next, and here, wait a moment, I will uncheck that. Now we have to, or maybe check, okay, never mind. Here, as you can see, we can register our product with our serial number, but I won't do this actually. Let's skip this process. Here, as you can see, we have here the backup. Here we can back up the general information about this monitor. For example, Samsung account, smart monitor name, smart monitor serial number, model name, country, postcode, PIN, registered device list. And apart from that, here we have home screen. We can back up home screen, which is the download list home configuration. But we can actually, as you can see, not back up our data and move to the next process here. Here, as you can see, new firmware is now being installed. Our monitor is turned off now. As you can see, updating. Now we can click Next again. Here, as you can see, they have taking your view experience to a new level. Here we can set up the sound volume optimization with here Enable Now, and sound volume will be optimized by analyzing your viewing environment and the current content. I think that for me this is useless option, so I will click later, but you can enable this feature now. This feature may increase the power consumption in your monitor. As you can see, here you have introducing your voice assistant, which is the Bixby. Here we can click Next. And the next step is experience daily board with voice commands. Enhance your screen styling wallpapers and useful widgets. Simply activate this feature using voice commands even when your screen is off. We have to click Next. And here, as you can see, we do have a couple of applications. For example, here Amazon or something like that. I won't link these applications here. You can link it by clicking on each application and logging into this. Now we have to click Skip. And as you can see, here we can set up our home screen. Here we have Copilot by Microsoft, which is not added by default. And here at the bottom of our screen, we have your home screen. And these are the applications that are on our home screen by default, which is the SmartThings, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney, etc. Let's click Save. And now we have to enter the pin to our monitor. For us, it may be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have some quick video about our monitor. And now our monitor is all set up. That's it, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye!